Hello everyone, let me know if you can hear me. Hello, let me know if you can hear and see the chart. So I will wait a bit. For people to join. It's still early. And let me open Bitcoin. And just a second, I need to finish some stuff over here. And we can start talking regarding the market. Just a second. So I will wait just a bit. Just a few seconds. I need to finish some stuff on my phone. And we will start. We will start. Yeah, 37. Confirm. So let me check who is here. Hello everyone, one more time. Hope you're doing well. So let's open daily time frame. I think I will start with the US market today, and then slowly we'll go to crypto market. So SP500, I will start with SP500. Since my last stream, if you've been on my last stream, I think it was before the new year. Yeah, this is my first stream this year. And since my last stream, nothing changed much on the US market. As we can see that slowly but surely the market is going up, and according to the Fibonacci, next target is around $7,000, $7,200. That's where I'm expecting to see the US market near future, and of course this will open a road for the price discovery phase. How far it can go, we don't know, because this is just the beginning of the year. This is the first monthly candle, and if we zoom out just a second and we go to yearly candle, okay, what do we see? We see a crazy extended move. Yeah, we can see strong uptrend. Will it go during this year? Will it continue its bullish trend? The time will show, of course. It depends also on the monthly close, but so far we see this crazy run. But on monthly, of course, I don't like that the price is too far from this EMAs. According to the high time frame, I would want to see still a correction, some correction test as a test of this EMAs, or at least 6,000, 6,200 dollar area before any uptrend move continuation. Yeah, I've been talking about it before, but it all depends on how, on a lower time frame. Again, let's go to maybe weekly. Yeah, weekly. This I will leave on a daily. This Fibonacci levels I will current interval only, and let's go to the weekly. What do we see on a weekly? On a weekly time frame, we see that SP 500 is consolidating between 1.41 and 1.61 Fibonacci levels, which means it can do something like this easily on the weekly. So I will be extremely bearish on SP 500 if it will lose on a weekly time frame the level of 6,700, and I will be extremely bullish if SP 500 will keep this 2026 EMAs and will try to give a breakout. Probably it will do a fake breakout, return back to this range, yeah, and if it will manage to hold above 6,900, what is the price here, 982, yeah, it will mean that the price did a breakout above these highs, and the next target can be much higher. This Fibonacci levels 2.41, 2.61, or this one, they are from these fibs are from this monthly time frame. Okay, usually Fibonacci levels work pretty good. Let's see, time will show. So far the price is holding uptrend move, yeah, and according to the daily, it's slightly on the range, but still moving higher. So it's showing us higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, technically this should trigger crypto market to give a nice bullish run, but we'll talk about crypto a bit later. Let's check Nasdaq and Q. The same price action as with the SP 500. Once we will see a breakout above 0.86 Fibonacci or 26,050 level, yeah, we can expect higher target around 27,427,900. Yeah, this can bring a move of 6-7%, and I think it will bring a momentum, something like it was here or here. Yeah, and this is regarding the SP 500 and NQ. Now let's check Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin. So Bitcoin technically on a daily time frame, for me it's still the same. Yeah, nothing changed much according to the daily time frame. I'm still expecting to see $100,000 area near future, and I hope that the market will, just a second, excuse me, got some message. So what happened with Bitcoin? We have, since last stream, we have this long, yeah, price simply is in the range. It's rejected on a daily time frame from the range high. Yeah, so we have this zone, yeah, and we have, let's take this zone, so this area and this area, this is our local high, yeah, and this is our local low, yeah, and the price since November 2025 been in this price zone between 94,000 and let's say $84,000. Yeah, so this is our range high, yeah, and it formed a range. And what happened? Price, after this long consolidation and very poor price action since December 18, yeah, we can see how the price was simply dead. So it did a breakout and again reached this $94,000 area, which shows that the price reached the range high of this price area. Yeah, and when on January 5th the price reached again $94,000 area, it couldn't give us a daily close above this zone. Yeah, as a result, we started to decline. I put this here Fibonacci, and right now the level above $88,000 is very important. It has daily FVG. It also aligns with the Fibonacci level, so this zone is good to long, and this zone is very important for the bullish trend continuation. Yeah, so from here I would expect to see uptrend continuation, but of course in this case we can put tiny stop loss. I still have my long, I'm not touching it, it's a swing position. Yeah, but meantime for the scalp, or if you didn't long Bitcoin, you can long here with a target of 100 or higher, 105, 108. Yeah, there are a lot of resistance zones from which Bitcoin might start correcting again. So so currently Bitcoin is at the buy zone. For me, still logical to work with the longs rather than shorting. Right now here, good short was from this $94,000 area. Yeah, but right now the price is at the buy zone. So yeah, this is my trade idea according to daily time frame. Now let's check more high time frame. Maybe something changed. Let's go to monthly time frame. What do we see on monthly? For the monthly, we still have 23 days for the monthly close, right? So far the price is still holding this 20-26 EMAs on a monthly time frame. This monthly FVG depends on, also aligns with the Fibonacci levels and so on, but we have this very strong bearish block. Yeah, this red box that you can see, it's a monthly FVG. This FVG also aligns with the 0.5 Fibonacci on the monthly time frame, and you can see here I have this alarm set and 0.5 Fibonacci. So we can see that right now the price, after bouncing from this 20-26 EMAs on the monthly time frame, it reached again 0.618 Fibonacci, which aligns with our range high, right, and rejected. As I said, as long as the price is above $88,000, the Bitcoin should continue uptrending. So the next resistance zone after 0.618, I expect to see around 0.5 Fibonacci, or around this monthly FVG, which comes to $100,243 area. This can be the next very important level. So to be bullish, if we want to see Bitcoin coming future above $100,000, reaching at least $114-119 area, then Bitcoin should do a breakout or give monthly close above at least $94,000, ideally above $100,000, or above this monthly FVG, something what we had in April 2025, yeah, or something what we had in September 2024, or something what we had in July 2021. In this case, we might see a positive run on Bitcoin, and this will trigger altcoins as well to move. Otherwise, if we will see the situation similar to, let's say, February, March 2022, then expect the bearish trend continuation, strong correction, which, as you can see, my next target for Bitcoin is around 70 and $58,000. Yeah, if can it go lower? Yes, it can. It can go lower. I think it's not a big issue. What I really don't like is 3 monthly candle. Let me turn off this. I don't like this 3 monthly time frame. 3 monthly time frame looks heavy. We had this very strong sell off. Right now the price is rejected from 3 monthly FVG. Yeah, and we see that from this level, $90,000, till the next support around $58,000, we have a big gap. Yeah, we have here FVG. We have a lot of untested levels, and as I showed you right now, if the Bitcoin will start correcting till, let's say, $58,000 upcoming futures, then it should bring almost 37% of the move. Yeah, let me so will this happen? I don't know. It all depends on the monthly price action. Weekly so far looks weak. 3D also came to the buy area. Daily. Let's see. So far I'm interested in this kind of setup. Ethereum, we had a long here. On my last post in Discord, I told you to move stop loss to break even. I hope you did. Sorry. Yeah, my throat hurts a bit. I got sick. Everyone is sick in my family after these holidays. So yeah, I would say that today is a very important day to make a decision. Let's check if we have any news. No news. But tomorrow we have a lot of news. Sorry, today is what? Yeah, tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, tomorrow we have a lot of news. A lot of news. So let's see, today, tomorrow should be a very important day for the decision to make the market, if the market will continue its bullish trend, at least towards to, let's say Bitcoin, at least towards $100,000. Yeah, so next, let's talk about altcoins. I'm looking for ZAC. ZAC looks really interesting. Around 398 on a daily time frame. It aligns with 0.618 Fibonacci. I have a lot of alarms set here. Just a second, let me delete too much. I have too much. Yeah, let me do this. So I will highlight levels. So first one is 398, then 364. These areas are very interesting areas to long. According to the daily time frame, it aligns with the daily demand zone, 100 EMA, 0.618, 0.75 Fibonacci levels. According to the 3D, this area, especially 0.75, aligns with the 50 EMA, and last time this zone was protected and price held this level pretty strong. Weekly it aligns with the also 2026 EMAs, and monthly it aligns with the monthly FVG support. Yeah, so I would say yeah, most time frames it aligns with the FVG support. So I would say pay attention to ZAG around that zone. What I would do in this situation, let me check one more time. I would try with 2 attempts to long. The stop loss gonna be wide. Either you wait for the reaction around 390 sorry 300 yeah 98, wait for the reaction and then take some long, or in case you will just set a limit order here, then DCA around 364, and you can take also 36. Yeah, this Fibonacci levels are strong for me. So, and yeah, after that, let me put Fibs. We can take either 63% of the move or higher in case this scenario, this bullish scenario towards to 1K on ZAG, only possible if it will bounce and market will remain bullish for some time. Yeah, it depends on Bitcoin. So I'm watching this coin. Let me check the chat actually. Okay. So then lighter, I'm bullish, mega bullish. I have spot, I'm holding, I'm not doing anything at all. Yesterday it tested daily FVG. I would say as long as lighter is above 2.72, 2.82, yeah, it can continue uptrending. Anyways, I'm holding big spot position, and I took longs on perps. Yeah, and I'm just DCAing and holding. So I don't have any stop loss here. This is my just long term play. Yeah, I'm pretty patient. Then let me check what is here. Let me delete. I was checking say. Oh look, say same as most actually altcoins, doesn't look bad. Yeah, I really like this monthly bounce. Of course, we need to wait for the monthly close. or this weekly close. In case right now the price rejected exactly from 0618 Fibonacci. Yeah, if the weekly close will remain the same, or let's go to daily. Yeah, right now price came to the support zone. So currently, say where it is 05. Yeah, currently say came to the daily buy zone. It's 2026 EMAs 061805 Fibonacci daily FVG. So I would say for the say coin, very important to hold a 0.75 Fib. So it should not give any daily 3D weekly closes below 0.1159 level. Very important. Otherwise, in case we see daily close below, in this case, price will continue downtrending, and the next stop for the next support zone, I would say, will be around 0.098, 0.092. This is according to the FIBs. Just a second. I need to check something. Okay, so next, say, this I will delete. Bitcoin Cash is one of the strongest coins over here. I'm also monitoring it. What I really like is 12 monthly uptrending, 6 monthly bounce from the FVG, monthly bounce from FVG as well, RSI uptrending, weekly. Daily time frame. Just a second, I will set some alarms for the lighter. In case you're wondering where to long lighter, yeah, I would long around 2.91. We can put simply Fibs. Yeah, 2.91 aligns with 0.75 Fibonacci. This will be next interesting zone or lower. So Bitcoin Cash, according to the daily time frame, I'm really interested in this buy zone around 0.75 or $605. It aligns with the daily FVG. Also it aligns with this 2026 EMAs. Yeah, it can do something similar what it was doing all this time. So Bitcoin Cash has very interesting price action. So it's pumping, correcting exactly to 2026 EMAs or daily FVG, pumping, correcting till daily FVG 2026 EMAs, pumping, and now doing the same. Yeah, would not be surprised to see another like 4% of the move down. Yeah, and this can be good zone to look for the longs. And high time frame, I would not be surprised to see it around $1,000. Tau looks strong. Tau looks strong, one of the strong looking coins. Yeah, it rejected from 100 EMA on daily time frame, and from this high, currently it came to 0.75 on 4 hour. But let me show you something else. So on daily, I would not be surprised to see the deeper correction. It can be 248 or even lower 238. Both are okay to start accumulating long position. Monthly doesn't look bad. Now weekly depends on the weekly time frame. Currently it's holding above weekly FVG. In case the price will hold the way it is, and next week I would not be surprised to see some test of weekly FVG and then up. So yeah, this Bitcoin Cash Tau just told you, so I will set an alarm and I will see Q USD, very interesting coin. It has uptrending move. Yeah, it shows a higher lows, higher highs. Tested already 50 EMA. On a daily time frame, RSL looks pretty healthy. I think upcoming days after some consolidation, it will do a breakout and will move towards to 0.3, 0.4 dollars, which also aligns with Fibonacci levels. Hype. Yeah, most as I can see, most coins are testing their daily support areas. Also, you notice that I always pay attention to this chart. It's total 3 versus Bitcoin. So it's related to altcoins, and it was pretty accurate these days. So we can see that total 3 been very bullish all these days, and that's why altcoins been also pretty bullish and we're pumping. Yeah, as a since 2 days ago it rejected from 0.86 Fibonacci. It started to correct right now. What do I expect? I expect to see that total 3 versus Bitcoin will find a support soon. It's already testing back the breakout area. Yeah, and 200 EMA on a daily time frame. Also very close to 0.5 Fibonacci support and daily FVG. So just a bit more of the correction, but very important to hold the zone around, I would say, between 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci is 6.65, 6.73 million market cap zone. Yeah, and in this case, if it will hold, I will show you now, we will see this kind of uptrend continuation. This very similar to this one, July 2025, when altcoins did this kind of breakout, then corrected, retested all possible good support zones and continued up trending. Okay, so just a bit more. So let me go to Bitcoin dominance, and check the dominance. Downtrending slowly but surely. Looks like we might have an alt season, who knows? There's nothing much to say about dominance, honestly. If locally on daily time frame, it reminds me of this price action, November, December. Yeah, retest of this high, this bearish order block, and continuation of the downtrend. So, if any questions, you can ask. Meanwhile, I will just prepare some alarms. This coin, I'm also watching MNT. Delete. Pretty weak. Monthly, it looks good to me. It holds this monthly FVG, but daily it looks really ugly. Weekly it looks ugly as well. It's really very bad. Daily, let's see. Daily last chance. Very important level is here. So let me put FIPS. Very important level is this one, 0.9773. If it will not give any bullish reaction, it will not reverse here, then expect very strong correction. First target, I would say around 0.85. It's 13% of them move down, and much lower. Yeah, let's see. Hype. Let's check hype. Hype monthly looks interesting. It's been holding, and I would say first it already tested and failed this week. Monthly holding this monthly FVG support, Fibonacci support. Yeah, even though it's rejected right now from the monthly FVG resistance, it doesn't mean anything. I mean, it's not something critical. Yeah, I think hype technically could bottom on a monthly. Yeah, daily is the same as with most coins. We should look on a daily FVG. Yeah, the support 10618 Fibonacci level. It's around $25. Something like this. So technically, so just a second. So technically, I see that we could have like 4-5% of the move down and then bounce. Like very important to see a bounce soon. I would say today. Otherwise, yeah, expect crypto much lower. XPL looks interesting. I've put this FIPS here. Let me go to weekly. Monthly it rejected from the monthly FVG. Really hard to say if this was the bottom of the bottom. Yeah, but daily it had a really nice run. Also on 3D it rejected from 20 EMA. Yeah, and as a result we can see this drop right now. Let me put another fib. Yeah, currently I would be watching this zone. This area has a good potential for the bullish trend continuation. 0.1395, 0.1526. And we can expect higher, at least till 0.32, 31 level, or maybe higher, I don't know. Then Q, I told you, this one we already checked. Say, yes, say we checked. Somehow my laptop is slow. Say we checked. Lighter holding. Zag reached the buy zone. Look how it reacted to the Fibonacci. It came exactly to this Fibonacci. Yeah, exactly to this Fib and holding right now. Yeah, exactly to this Fib and holding. Then so let me check daily. Currently it is at buy level. Let's see, it should give a reaction here, should give some reaction here, but still I would not be surprised to see the price dropping a bit lower. Also according to the RSI, I can see that it came to this oversold position, something very similar what happened in December 1st. Yeah, this very choppy, let me check, price action and then boom, buy and then pump. We could see something like this. So 360, a 3 is also very interesting level. Any questions, anyone? Is there any questions? Let me know. What's the time? We have 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. Let's see. On the lower time frame, we can see that so far holding. So for holding, Bitcoin very weak, but holding on a low time frame. Bouncing. Very important will be the 4-hour close as well. Ideally, I would want to see just some strength of the buyers. Right now, it looks very heavy. It looks the same as it was exactly in December. sorry, December 1st. Yeah, we can see here. So I would not be surprised to see this kind of sell off as well. So if any questions, let me check the chat. So this is scenario for today. I'm like high time frame still bullish. High time frame is still bullish. A low time frame, some coins can still give correction, but yeah, I think they're very close to the end of the correction and very close to the support zones. Let me check some other coins. What do we have here? XPL, Curve, Tone, Trump, LTC, Eagle, Doge. Yeah, nothing much. Oh, look, ZAC is already bouncing. ZAC is giving a reaction. So a very good Fibonacci level. Very good Fibonacci level. Lighter has ugly price action, but it's holding the zone on 15-minute. But overall, I would say that the price action is pretty choppy if we look on the low time frame. Like 15-minute, 5-minute, pretty choppy. Like it's chopping out, then giving like impulsive move down, then again chop, and then again impulsive move down. Yeah, so please be careful. So if there are no questions, then this is all from my side for today. Tomorrow I'm streaming in Discord, in Chroma Discord, and I will see you next week. This month probably I will not be so active since my daughter, she broke her leg. Yeah, and she's at home and she takes most of my attention.